Cupboards of Kithgard B.
For the win!
We're almost there. So I see that we have to break open the cupboard again under 7 statements, and we're a little further along in this maze. So we gotta go right down, right down, right down twice, right down. Is this 3 times? Right down twice, right down, right down twice, and then we're just gonna attack the cupboard. Put it in a string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all, we need to put it in a while loop, otherwise it's just gonna attack it one time. There we go. Let's go. Moving through the maze. What happened? Oh, why did we go down twice? That doesn't make any sense. Ah, we died. Somebody can't count. Alright, so it's right down, right. I know that. Right down twice. And then attack. Because she's just running into the wall. Alright. Run! I wonder if we can make her run faster. What now? Why was he talking? We got to the cupboard and we opened it up. And we're done. Let's see.